Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to reveal 2 secret AI-powered niches for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok that are helping creators earn millions of dollars through viral content. Whether you're looking to build passive income streams or just want to know how to make money using AI, these trending niches are your fast track to success. Don't underestimate the power of AI-driven content creation. I'll show you how to tap into these high-demand markets and create engaging, trend-worthy videos that can skyrocket your earnings. With these strategies, you'll be able to grow your channel, boost your engagement, and start making passive income with easy-to-follow steps. So if you're ready to learn how to turn AI into big profits in less time, stay tuned. Stay with me till the end of the video to find out how we can make inspirational, magnetic videos and attract people to our channel. This AI tool is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to create captivating videos in just minutes. Save time and boost your content's impact with ease, reaching millions of viewers daily. Let's move on to the first niche. Reddit fake stories are a great niche to quickly grow your channel. With millions of people enjoying these intriguing and engaging stories, you can easily boost your viewership within just a few weeks. The viral potential of these stories makes them an excellent way to attract a large audience.
Blamed me for ruining her marriage, and my entire family abandoned.
On the day of my baby's shower, my mom secretly canceled the event. Update, after my mom tried to convince me that her fiancé only wanted.
I'm about to show you a unique way to turn Reddit stories into captivating videos. You might think these stories are real, but the truth is they're all made up with a strong hook. Follow the exact steps I'll show you and you'll see how easy it is. First, head over to Reddit and find an interesting story. Once you've found one, read it carefully and create a compelling hook. For example, I found this story on Reddit, and now let's copy it. I've also crafted a hook for this story to make it even more engaging. I found an AI tool that can create videos for this niche without effort. This tool is called InVideo. It's an AI video generator designed to create videos for specific niches such as brain teaser, quiz, and would you rather niches. Now let's go to the InVideo.ai tool to create videos easily with just a few settings. After logging in, press the option Explore All, then press the YouTube Shorts tab, but you can select as your requirement. In the new window, you have to complete all options like me. You click the fast-paced, paste your script here, then select the music as your video type, but I'm using serious music. After that, select the language, whatever you need. I'm selecting English language, and then press Clear American Voice Accent option. Choose the subtitles as your choice. After that, you have to select the images collection, and here I'm using iStock Reached option for my video, then press Continue on the next window, and here, you have to tell your video type. I'm selecting the Serious tab and press Continue. In a few minutes, it will generate the complete video according to your story script. Let's watch the result.
Why do 70% of neighbors endure stressful noise disturbances? Let's dive into a real-life horror story. My neighbors, sweet folks really, have an adult daughter who visits during the holidays. Recently, she had a baby. And this baby, well, it's not exactly the happy cooing type. They arrived last week. The baby screamed, like blood-curdling, make-itself-throw-up screamed, for hours on end. Then, silence. For a few days it was eerily quiet, but this afternoon chaos erupted. A dogfight broke out in their backyard. She has 2 border collies that bark non-stop. And during the ruckus the baby started to scream. Not just any scream though, it sounded like it was being attacked. And it didn't stop for 5 hours. 5 hours of relentless, top-of-the-lungs, hysterical screaming. I finally cracked. Called the police for a welfare check. They took it super seriously and sent a crew around. Now, it's all quiet. But those screams? They sounded incredibly distressed. What would you have done?
Let's move on to the next niche. I'm going to call this niche the self-improvement niche. The best example page for this niche is this one. They have gained more than 696,000 followers with these videos. Half of their videos have not thousands but millions of views. So let's see how you can create videos for this niche. The first step is to select the topic and then create a script for this video. Go to ChatGPT and ask for 5 topics about self-improvement. Select one of them. I have selected emotional intelligence for my video. Again, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a 1-minute short script on this topic, but the script should be unique and engaging and it will generate the video script within seconds. So as you can see here, we have the script for this video. Now the next step is to generate voiceovers. For this example, I'm going to use 11 Labs. When selecting the voice for your videos, use the same voice for all videos on your channel. Therefore, you need to select a good voice for it, especially an inspiring voice. Go to the voices, select the voice library, and choose Narrate in Story or Social Media. Then this AI will show you suitable voices for this. Check all the voices and select the perfect one from these. Then copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. After that, we need to find several stock videos. Pexels.com is one of the best websites to download such stock videos. What I love about this website is that it is 100% free. You can download videos related to motivation, hard work, and luxury lifestyles. Those types of video clips are suitable for this video. So, download as many videos as you want from this website. Then, we need to find suitable background music. I would recommend you use the YouTube library for that. This is really easy. After that, we need to edit the final output. You can use any video editing software you're comfortable with. I'll be using CapCut for this process as it's free and beginner friendly, making it a great option for editing videos. Once you download CapCut, open it and start a new project. This is a short video. Therefore, make sure to click this Modify button and select a 9:16 ratio. Then click this Import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voiceover to the timeline like this. If there are long, unnecessary silent parts in these voiceovers, make sure to remove those. Once you are done with that process, add the videos that we downloaded to the timeline. Try to match the videos with the voiceovers. One way to make this video more attractive is to add transitions between clips. So go to the Transition tab from this top menu and add some transitions. But make sure to add smooth transitions between all the clips. After you add all the transitions, go to the adjustment option from the top menu and drag this custom adjustment layer to the timeline like this. You can expand this layer to cover the whole sequence. After that, we need to add captions for this video. Go to the text option from the top menu, select Auto Captions, and click the Generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. We can't use these boring captions like this. We must edit these to take this video to the next level. Let's bring all the captions to the middle of the video. You can add a suitable effect from these options. You can add a good caption animation from here. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. Don't make the background music too loud. If you do, no one will watch your videos. You should give priority to the voiceovers. After that, the video is complete. Now this is perfect. Let's check the final result.
Have you ever felt like someone just gets you? Like they understand your thoughts, feelings, and reactions before you even say a word? That's the magic of emotional intelligence, or as I like to call it, your superpower. Emotional intelligence isn't just about being in touch with your feelings, it's about understanding them, and using that understanding to connect better with others. Imagine if you could recognize emotions in real time, whether it's stress in your coworker or excitement in your friend. You'd know exactly how to respond, how to build trust, and create stronger relationships. And the best part? It's not a skill you're born with. It's something you can develop, one step at a time. So, start tuning into your emotions and those around you. Your emotional intelligence could be the key to unlocking your true potential.
That brings us to the end of today's video. Everyone, I'll see you all in the next one.